Advocates for the disabled are pleading with the state tonight due to the potential high risk of disabled individuals dying from COVID-19. They're asking for the state to include them in the next phase of vaccinations. ABC4's Nicole Newman following this story for us tonight. She's live on Utah's Capitol Hill with what she's finding. Nicole.
Glenn, advocates say they're not trying to take vaccines away from other high-risk groups. They just want the disabled to have serious consideration that leads to action.
Frankly, we heard concerns from the community.
Nate Krippis, an attorney at the Disability Law Center in Salt Lake City, helped craft this letter.
We decided to reach out to state officials and just let them know that we think that they should be prioritized.
This was back on December 8th, addressed to members of Utah's Unified Command, including former Governor Gary Herbert and then Governor-elect Spencer Cox. 5 weeks later,
we did not receive a formal response to our letter from anyone at the state.
It says members of the disabled community like Danielle Barani seek help for their loved ones. Her 17-year-old daughter Mia has Down syndrome.
Individuals that have Down syndrome have a 5 times greater chance of getting COVID, 10 times more likely to die from it.
Due to the high risk, their family's been quarantined since March. In her quest to find answers on when her daughter can get vaccinated to return to school, she says she's gotten nowhere.
I've run into a lot of no answers.
Tonight, in a statement provided to ABC4, Barani says those that have been trusted to make the humane and moral decisions of who receives this life-saving vaccination are willfully and purposely leaving them behind. As well, the Utah Department of Health tells ABC4 a decision has yet to be reached on when the disabled community will be vaccinated. And now all of this coming as the vaccine is now being distributed to local health departments instead of hospitals. We're told that this was always part of the plan as hospitals work through getting their healthcare workers vaccinated. And tonight, the State Department of Health telling ABC4 it's because the populations now eligible to get the vaccine are much larger than what hospitals can handle. Live in Salt Lake City, Nicole Newman, ABC4 News.
Thank you, Nicole.